Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking chicken wings and this is how I'm gonna make these chicken wings nice and delicious. Please let me know what do you think. Like and share the video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking chicken wings. So for the chicken wings, I've washed them and cleaned them, and I am going to I'm going to cut them, put some slice in some cut like that. Just cut them slightly like that, and then go this way. Just put slight cuts like that. I'm going to marinate them and then deep fry them or fry them. I'm just gonna do some cuts just like that so that they're gonna cook very fast. But this is gonna be just a quick dinner, and I'm going to make these chicken wings with salad. So why I'm cutting them like this, so this is just to speed up the cooking, guys. So I've got um over about 25 chicken wings here. Let's see, just slightly cutting. There's so many ways of cooking chicken wings, but today I'm just going to do this way, and just like that. Okay, now my chicken wings are good and they are prepared now. Okay, now it's time to marinate my chicken wings. I'm going to use lemon, so lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You just marinate with lemon, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And also I'm going to put black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then a teaspoon of ginger, so ginger powder. I'm going to mix this very well, guys. Make sure this is well mixed. I'm going to leave this to marinate for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Let that sit and marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. So while my chicken is marinating, I'm going to heat up oil in a saucepan. I'm going to add my oil. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now my chicken wings are looking good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my chicken wings in a plate, in a separate plate. Okay. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix this through. Mix. All right, guys, this is looking good. So now my chicken wings are looking good. All right, now it's time to cook my chicken wings. Guys, I'm just not gonna overcrowd my pan and let my chicken wings cook. I'm cooking them until they're nice and golden brown. Probably about 7 to 8 minutes. Let me flip sides. Guys, the chicken wings are looking so good, and Now I'm going to flip the sides again. I'm just looking for that crispy skin. So I've cooked the chicken wings for 7 to 8 minutes on each side. And I'm just want a crispy skin. So just making sure that the skin is crispy. Like I said before, don't overcrowd the pan or in the chicken wings. Just cook in batches. And I think they are nice and done. Now I'm just gonna drain the oil and set aside. Now you're setting aside the chicken wings, and now I'm going to bring in the another more chicken wings to cook. The same process I did with the first ones, cook for 7 to 8 minutes on each side, or until the chicken wings are of your desired color. So guys, you can use your own judgment also. If you prefer your chicken wings to be cooked crispy, you can just add a few minutes of cooking. Nothing in cooking is very rigid. You can be flexible with the way you cook your chicken. Now again, just flipping when the color is starting to be golden brown and nice and crisp. The chicken wings are looking good, guys. These chicken wings were a favorite with the kids. The kids loved it. They loved the chicken wings, and they were nice and crispy. Look at how they look, guys. Crispy and nice. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you.